Welcome to our guide on how to write a perfect admissions essay, also known as a statement of purpose. The admissions essay is your chance to make a lasting impression on the admissions committee and stand out from the competition. Before you start writing, it's important to understand what the admissions committee is looking for in your essay. They want to know who you are as a person, what motivates you, and why you are a good fit for their program. The first step is to understand the requirements for your admissions essay. Read the instructions carefully and make sure you understand what the admissions committee is looking for. This will help you tailor your essay to meet the specific requirements of the school or program. Your introduction should be attention-grabbing and should clearly state your purpose for applying to the school or program. Use a hook or a captivating statement to grab the reader's attention and make them interested in reading further. Your admissions essay should showcase your passion for the field of study. Use personal experiences or anecdotes to demonstrate why you're passionate about the subject and why you're the perfect fit for the program. Your achievements are an important part of your admissions essay. Highlight your academic achievements, work experience, or any other relevant experiences that demonstrate your skills and abilities. Make sure to be specific and concise in your admissions essay. Avoid vague statements and use specific examples to illustrate your points. Keep your essay focused and to the point. Edit and revise your admissions essay. Make sure to proofread for spelling and grammar errors. Have someone else read your essay and provide feedback. In conclusion, writing a perfect admissions essay requires time and effort. Make sure to understand the requirements. Start with a strong introduction. Showcase your passion. Highlight your achievements. Be specific and concise, and edit and revise. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to writing a great admissions essay that will help you stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.